Hello, this is Dr. Bartosh of Proactive Wellness and Injury Center with another health tip. Today what I want to talk to you about are some dangerous oils. These oils that you may be ingesting unbeknownst to you that are causing some very severe damage to your body, primarily to your heart and in particular to the brain. The oils that are dangerous now on this hit list, if you will, are soybean oil. Soybean happens to be the most genetically modified food. That means it's not a real food anymore. It's been so chemically altered and changed. It's a Frankenstein food, if you will. The sunflower oil, the canola oil, and as a little sidebar with the canola, instead of cooking with it, go ahead and pour it on your plants because you're going to find out it's a very potent pesticide. And the safflower oil, the corn oil, another highly genetically modified food now, and of course the peanut oil. All of these foods now that many of you may be getting in through your cooking, through your baking, and even in the salad dressing. And there was some research that was done recently that stated that the reduction of these types of oils from your diet with the introduction, and we'll talk here about pure olive oil and coconut oil, with the introduction of these oils actually reduced the risk of you developing Alzheimer's or senile dementia by 60%. 60%. And if you've seen any of our previous videos, you know that my mantra is that the human body is fearfully and wonderfully made. It's never changed. However, what has changed is the environment in which this body now exists. So getting back to the olive oil and the coconut oil, what I would suggest you doing is starting to use pure olive oil. Make sure it's pure, and also pure coconut oil for your cooking, for your baking, and even for your salad dressings. Now, I know that the olive oil, the pure olive oil, may be a heavier oil, so you can go with the extra virgin olive oil. The extra virgin is great as a condiment. It's not very good for cooking because it does burn off rather quickly. And to that also, the coconut oil does. But when you're cooking foods that require a little bit more heat, you can go ahead and combine like a 50-50 of the olive and the coconut oil. Also, in many instances, you might be pleasantly surprised. You can substitute your butter with coconut oil, like on your yams, your sweet potatoes, your mashed potatoes if you choose, on your steamed or your vegetables and that. And it's a very good oil. As a matter of fact, we use it in our brain plan because of its tremendous effect when we're dealing with the human brain, its benefits with the brain, and in reducing the effects of type 2 diabetes in individuals. Hey, once again, I hope that this information has been beneficial to you. And if you do have any other further questions that you might have, as always, please don't hesitate to contact our office. And until our next video, God bless.